Get your English copy and write down today's date. The date is 26/11/2021. So, bachcho, now we have covered all the vowel sound words. Up, mothers, you also pay attention. We had covered all the vowel sound words. Okay. Now it's time for reading, for paying attention on reading. All right. तो घर पे भी प्रैक्टिस करनी है kids. You have to do the practice at home also. ठीक है, बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. जितना हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे हम उतने परफेक्ट होते जाएंगे. ठीक है, सो आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ऑलराइट, सो टुडे व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू एनसर्कल द करेक्ट वर्ड. तो यहां पर भी हम लोग रीड करेंगे और फिर एनसर्कल करेंगे. लिखने की, सर्कल करने की जल्दी मत करो. वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट टुगेदर. द फर्स्ट पिक्चर, what is this? It's a cup. It's a cup. Come on. So we have to encircle the correct word. T-U-B. Then, okay, chalo. These three words are written in your copy. So what we have to do? We have to read all the words and we have to find out कि कौन सा word cup है. And then we have to encircle it. Chalo, we'll read it together, बच्चों. T-U-B. How to read? With phonic sound. Tub. Tub. So is this tub? No, it is not tub, so leave it. Then next, C-U-P. Come on, read. Cup. Cup. Is this cup? Yes, it is a cup. So we have to encircle it. We have to look at the picture and encircle the correct word. Now let's read the last word as well. Come on, read. C-U-T. Cut. Cut. Read the words using phonic sound. Number 2. Number 2 is nut. Come on. So first of all, we are going to read all the words and then उसमें से जो सही word होगा, we have to encircle that. Read. N-U-T. Nut. Nut. Read. Nut. Nut. Yes, this is a nut. So we have to encircle it. Read the word using phonic sound. Nut. Nut. Then read the rest words also, rest of the words. P-U-P. Okay. P says pa, p. Pa up, pup. And the last word is B-U-N. Bun. Bun. Try to read using phonic sound. Now next one. So the next picture is cut. Come on. C-U-B. Ab, cub. Ab, cub. So this is cub. No, this is not a cub. Cub कौन होता है? Who is cub? Cub is the young one of lion. Lion, शेर का जो बच्चा होता है उसे cub कहते हैं. CUB, cub, cub. Then bus, bus. Bus, bus. And the next one is cut, cut. So yes, this is the picture of cut. So we have to encircle this. Now the next picture. It's a rug. Rug. Okay. Chalo. We'll read the words together using phonic sound, and then we'll find out together which word is rug. Come on. SUM. Okay. Read. Some. Then BUT. 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 And the last one. RUG. 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 Okay, in this way, try to read using phonic sound. Read with phonic sound only. Now, number 5. Number 5 is, you all know this. What is this? It's a jug. Okay, chalo, read it. JUG. Read with phonic sound. Jug. 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 Yes, so this is the picture of jug only. So we have to encircle the correct word. Now, read down the next words as well. The remaining words. BUD. Bud. Bird. Bud. And CUP. 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 Number 6. So what is this? It's a bun. Chalo, now let's read the words together and find out which is the correct word. Chalo, let's read. H-U-G. Okay. H-A-G. H-A-G. Hug. Hug मतलब गले लगाना. Hug. Then B-U-N. Bun. Bun. Yes, so this is the picture of bun. 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 Yash, dance करना, you want to dance? Then the next one is children read and write बच्चों, read and write. ठीक है? Next. What is this? It's a picture of tub. Tub. Okay, chalo read. F-U-N. Okay, so how we are going to read it? Fun. 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 So this is not fun. Fun मतलब होता है मस्ती करना. Fun, have fun. T-U-B. T-U-B. Tub. Yes, this is tub. T-U-B. Tub. Encircle it. And the last one is H-U-T. H-U-T. Hut. Read the words using phonic sound. The last one. Hut. Hut. Then M-U-M. And the last one is G-U-M. Chalo, read. H-U-T. 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 Hut. So encircle it. H-U-T. Hut. This is the picture of hut. H-U-T. Hut. Next. M-U-M. Mum. Mum. And the last one is G-U-M. So what is the sound of G? G का sound क्या है? G. Gum. Gum. So in this way, you have to look at the picture and encircle the correct word. Start. The title of our rhyme is Mary Had a Little Lamb. Start करें. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere where Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere where Mary went, the sheep, the lamb was sure to go. Chalo again, come on. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere where Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere where Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Okay, bachcho. All right. Good. Very nice. Okay, kids. Sit down.